Hey there, Amy here with Leap of Faith Crafting. Thanks so much for stopping by. So today we're going to just make some quick Halloween earrings. I'm going to be using my WeCreat Vision machine and then also the colored plywood that they have. These plywoods are fun because you don't have to paint anything, and they have colors on both sides and they are UV resistant. Makes for some fun earrings for sure. So we're just going to quickly upload these files. I will link everything below of where I got these from, and then we will cut them out and get them ready to go. So we're just going to go into new project. So you can see already this is the plywood that I have already in there, and I am going to upload some images, some files that I've already downloaded from Creative Fabrica, and I will link all of these below. Open this one and bring in that SVG file. So these ones are just some jack-o'-lantern faces, and I'm just going to move them up there, and they're a little under 2, so that's fine. I'm also going to upload another set. A witch's hat. I'm going to stick that kind of down in the black area, except I want to put them kind of close. Put these ones down here just so and kind of save room. So I'm going to actually make sure, so when I come in, when I brought these in, I'm going to click on, actually I'm just going to do them all at once. So I'm just going to drag my cursor, grab all of them, and right now it's on engrave, but we actually want it to cut. So we're going to change that to cut, and you can even see down here in the layers panels, oops, all of those are now cut. Okay, so everything else is set. I'm just going to refresh this just to make sure we're good, and then I'm going to hit the autofocus button here, and it will automatically, my machine over there actually goes up and down to focus on its own. Okay, and once it's done, we're going to go ahead start on here and then send it to my WeCreat and let it do its thing and cut it all out. And then once I have my earring pieces, I'm going to grab my jump rings, use some pliers, open those jump rings up, put one of the earrings on it, add a hook to it, and then close those jump rings back up with 2 pairs of pliers. Okay, so I hope that helped get you started just making quick earrings. They make for fun gifts. You can put them in boob buckets, wear them to your Halloween parties or just in the fall season, and you can make obviously any kind, any time of the year for any season or any occasion, and a super quick and easy project. So anyway, thanks so much for stopping by, and make sure you hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any tutorials. Happy crafting, everyone.